So, Joe, BPOs often have distributed teams. What do they come to Venn for?
So the reason they come to Venn is because these distributed workers are often sitting in offshore locations. And they're either working on a personal device, they're being shipped a device, or the company is going to have to spin up some VDI, which can have its own performance and latency issues because those workers are sitting thousands of miles away from the data center. And so they come to Venn because they need an easier solution to provide these instant workforces to these organizations that have these surge-related needs. Think about the annual enrollment period. Think about warranty claims. The need to onboard users quickly and securely is a very real need. What Venn allows them to do is take a software-based approach. Rather than shipping laptops, which can take a lot of time, spinning up PDI, which can be very costly and complex, they simply send out a link to these users. And within minutes, they've got Venn installed in their machine. This blue border that we put on the device essentially creates a container. So the work they're doing for that BPO or for the ultimate end customer is done in a very secure space.